Hey there, money-savvy friends! Welcome back to Penny Smart Reminders. Are you tired of feeling like your wallet is on a diet while your subscriptions are feasting? Well, today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful step to help you kick debt to the curb, canceling that one subscription you won't miss. Let's get started. Alright, let's get real for a second. We all have that one subscription that seemed like a great idea at the time. Maybe it was a streaming service you thought you'd binge watch every night, or a magazine that promised to make you the next Martha Stewart. But let's face it, how many times have you actually used it? If you're like most of us, it's probably gathering digital dust. So, here's the deal. Take a moment to look at your bank statement. Go ahead, I'll wait. Found it? Great. Now circle that subscription you've been paying for but haven't used in ages. Maybe it's that gym membership you swore you'd use but only went to twice last summer. Or that fancy coffee subscription that's just sitting there waiting for you to become a barista. Now here's the fun part. Imagine what you could do with that money instead. Maybe you could treat yourself to a nice dinner, or better yet, put it towards your debt. Look, I get it. Canceling a subscription can feel like breaking up with a long-term partner. But remember, it's not you. It's the subscription. You're not losing anything you truly value. You're just freeing up some cash to invest in your future. So what are you waiting for? Hit that cancel button today. And hey, if you're feeling brave, drop a comment below about which subscription you're saying goodbye to. Let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, every little bit counts. You've got this.